See here, Vijay, you are asking for syllabus, right? This is your syllabus, huh? That is coming directly from your CompTIA. Okay, just see here. Let me come to here. That one. See here, I was talking there, right? This is PT 001. Maximum 80 questions is there, right? That 3 to 4 years experience for that purpose. Understood? And then afterward, we have here. Sorry, come here. We have total 5 domains. Remember, no? I told you that we have total 5 domains is there. First is our planning and scoping, right? 15% of the questions is coming from here. Next is our information gathering and vulnerability identification. That is 22% is questions coming here. Third is our attack and exploits. Fourth is our penetration testing tools. Five is our reporting and communication part. Understood? Fine. Then after, let's come on that. What we are learning here. That is the planning. See here. What we have to learn here. Explain importance of the planning and engagement, right? 1.1 here, understanding target audience. We have seen, remember yesterday on last class on that, rules of engagement, communications, confidentiality to finding, known and unknown, budget. These things we have discussed. Budgeting, remember? Hmm? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Okay, then after these are the things we have to discuss that is coming on the 1.16s. Then after 1.2 is there. Okay, let me start that class. Fine. What is there? Understood. That syllabus I will send it to you. Let's see here how it is working. See here. Come here and see. We have planning of penetration test targets we have done, budgeting we have done right now. Next is our resource and requirements. We have here. Next part is coming here. According to syllabus, I am going, okay. And then when the lab is coming, I will explain you the lab part. Okay. Here, resources and requirement is coming here. This is important. This all. But I am teaching you. This part is very much important for auditing part. Understood? Check the vulnerability. So these all steps you have to follow. Next is coming our resources, the resources and requirements, and our requirements. What is happening in the resources and requirements part? I'm coming on that. See here, what you will check there in the resources and requirements. What resources? First, you have to check what resources will be assessment to require. Will be assessment, assessment, assessment to require. Require. Second point we are asking for you. What requirement will be meet in the testing? What requirement is meet in the testing? Budgeting. After budget part, we are coming on the resources and requirement. You understood my point? So what requirement is meet in the testing? Testing we have, right? Then after we are coming on confidentiality of findings. If we are going with this, some kinds of tools we are using and check the vulnerability. Check the vulnerability. We will go with that. We are coming inside that. My confidentiality is there or not. Understood? Confidentiality confidentiality of findings. Of findings. You understood my point, right? That is coming here. Next, what you will do, what you have to check. I was talking on the vulnerability, right? We are all discussing on the vulnerability. Next point is asking you, after completing this, they are asking you, Vijay, are you getting this point or not? You understood my, after budget we are discussing for your, after
Yes,
budget,
sir.
yeah, we are coming up get our resources and all, right? So here, what we will do, next point, what we'll do, known, known, known versus unknown vulnerability. Okay, then we are coming here, compliance based, compliance based assessment. Compliance based assessment is there, that is coming here in this part. Okay, these all things we are coming on this section. We are discussing on our, this all things is coming on our where, resources and requirements. Resources and requirement sections after budgeting. Okay, testing is like confidentiality is there or not, finding the confidentiality is. So this all part is coming here. Next, we are talking about communication part. Very much important here. That is coming our communication part. That is inside the syllabus. You could check. Communication path. We are coming here inside the communication path. Inside the communication path, the important points is coming here. You should write here the points. Who do communicate with about the test? Who do communicate about the test? Okay, that means are you understanding? Like if you are going for testing, you have knowledge about that or not? That is coming here your communicate part. Their exam, they are giving you the solutions. Okay, that is coming inside your communication part. Next, they are coming. What info will communicated and when? What info will communicated and when it is communicated? The time when it is and when it is communicated. Are you getting the points? This is the communication part will give you. First is coming who to communicate. Are you a reliable or not? Reliable person to whom we are giving the testing team or testing what tools? You have knowledge or not? That point is coming here inside the communicate. And what info you are exchanging with? That info means it should not break your confidentiality. Which confidentiality? Company's confidentiality. Company's compliance. Are you getting my point? This is coming here. That point. Third, it is telling you
Yes.
who is trusted agent if testing goes wrong. Are you understood? Who is trusted agent if trusting if the testing goes wrong. Testing goes wrong. This part is coming here. That means reliable. You understood? That's why I'm talking on that first sections I given you. Come here. Which trusted agent? Trusted agent. This point is just coming to relate with reliable. You understood? Clear? That reliable or not. If something happened, who will take the agency will take the responsibility for that. You understood? Clear? That is coming on your communication part, right? After that, after communication, after testing is done, when we have the testing is done, after that what is coming? When test is successful over, what is coming here, guys? We have here section is our what is the end state. Next is coming what is the end state. Understood? So inside that you can check what kind of report after completing the testing. They are asking you what kind of report will be provided after test will be provided after test. Fine. Next it is coming. Will you provide an estimate? Will you provide an estimate of of how long your remediations would take? That is coming in the industry. After you are getting the test, that you have the report book is there. Like this kinds of attack is there. You understood my point? So after that, you will give this part to your company. You are the third party. If you supposed to, you are the third party for the company. You will provide the reporting part, and you will tell how much long it will take time and what is the effect, how much harmful this like kinds of attack is there for the organization. That is coming inside your industry part. Understood? Then after they are coming on the technical constraints. You understood this point? Hmm? The word is very much important here. Okay, words and these all terms are very much important. If you are coming on the CISSP or planning for that, I'm telling you, like in the future, obviously you should go like CISSP or CCSP or like kinds of CISM, any kinds of this, because this is not the end. This is only the basics we are doing. So there, that this point is very much important. That technical words and that technical terms are very much important. When you are doing the reporting, you have to work on like this way. Understood? That is coming on your end state, because inside the syllabus also these are the things you will find. I will share with you the syllabus point. Clear? And inside that syllabus, if you have any doubt, you should ask me. Fine. Hmm? Then I'm coming on the next point. In this state, we are coming on the technical constraints. We have here the technical constraints. We are talking about here the technical technical constraints. Okay. In the technical constraints, what happened? So right here, what constraints limited your ability to test? That is coming here. Every companies will give you some limitations is there. Okay, that is technical constraints word is coming here. That is what is telling you what constraints you should write here for that. What constraints limited your ability ability to test. Fine. Next point is coming here. Provide the status in your report. Reporting we have done. So provide the status, because I told you are the third party. Understood? Right? So provide the status in your report. Next point is coming here. What they will provide? First is coming here. Tested. Second is coming here. Not tested. Very much important. These things you will find it there where your CISSP also. Not tested. And then third point is coming. That will give you cannot be tested. Can't be tested. Understood my point? Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the point is coming here that we are getting tested, not tested, or cannot be tested. Some kinds of complaints you cannot have to provide authority to be tested. That is coming in the constraints part. Okay, you have tested. That is not tested. Some servers is there, some secure server is there. That should not be allowed just inside the compliance. Okay. That is coming here in the technical constant. Then after we are coming on the disclaimer part. Disclaimer is giving you the information. Very much important. I'm talking you right now. These are very much important. Okay, that's very important. Here, what is telling you? Disclaimer here. Disclaimer is what this disclaimer is giving you. Disclaimers is coming. Are you compatible now? You are getting this points, but I'm talking on that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So disclaimers is giving you point in time assessments. Disclaimers is telling you. Points in time assessments. What has happened? That point in time assessment is giving you. That is telling you here. A result where accurate points in time means results, testing results will accurate when the pen test occurred. When the pen test occurred comprehensively. Next point is telling you how complete, inside the disclaimer, how complete was the test? Was the test part? What point is coming here? Did you test the entire organization or only specific objectives? Objectives. This is coming here. So we have seen from the beginning of the class what we have done. Let me revise it. First, we have seen that is our unit planning and scoping, right? This is our unit planning and scoping. Inside that we have seen what? Pen test, methodology, right? Pen test. This thing we have seen here. Then after what we have seen, after that we have seen next point, ethical hacker. Ethical hacker methodology. This point. Third point is coming. We have seen. You remember NIST. NIST what? 800 115 methodology. Methodology. Then after planning and penetration testing, we have discussed planning and pen test, penetration testing. We have discussed here. What are the points we have discussed inside that? We have discussed here who is the target audience. Target audience. Correct. Next is our budgeting. How much budget? Budgeting. Third point is coming here. Resources and recruitments. The resources and requirements. Requirements. Then after we have seen here, next point is coming here. After that we have communication path. That all in pen planning and test. Communication path. Communication path. Then after we have seen in the state. These are the functions inside that. Okay. Then after we have seen the constants. Constants terms is coming. Then after disclaimer is there. Disclaimer is there. Correct. Okay, fine. Then after we are going to discuss ROE. Very much important. That ROE you will see in the next sections also. Your higher studied also, ROE is very much important. Very much important here. That is called rules of engagement. Okay, just come and see here. What is our ROE? That is our rules of engagement. What will happen in rules of engagement? Just come and check. Rules and engagement. ROE have timeline. ROE have locations. On which locations you will use this or locations should be matters. What point is coming here? Time restrictions. Timeline and timeline. Time restrictions. Time restrictions. Transparency. And next is coming test boundaries. Whatever we have discussed on these disclaimer parts, then after technical constants, is all is similar. Everybody it is similar. The words is changing here. Okay. Transparency is there. Then after test boundaries is coming. Test boundaries. You understood? Just see here. ROE should be there. The disclaimers we have seen. Correct? No. Disclaimer. Comprehensiveness, right? And technicals, we are seeing the technicals constants. Okay, ROE. Then after we'll see this one. Okay, budget we have seen, right? Correct? No. Fine, Vijay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after we are coming here. See here, test boundaries is coming. ROE. So first we are coming and we will see the timeline. timeline. What is coming outside the ROE timeline? Let me explain you. Rules of engagement. Rules of engagement. Inside that, we are going to see here timeline. Timeline section. What is telling you timeline? How long will the test is conducted? How long that test be conducted? Are you getting my point? First point is telling you inside your ROE. Next it is telling you maybe it should be a week, what, a month, or what, a year. Okay. What task next is coming inside the timeline? What task will be performed? Will be performed, and how long will each be planned for? And how long will each be planned for? Right? This is our timeline sections. Okay. Then after ROE location, I'm coming on next. That is our rules of ROE. That is our timeline is done. Location is coming. Location section. Inside that one, location is very much important. Maybe like disaster and this all, this is incident handling, this is very much important, right? That whatever you are practicing, that things inside here, language problem, you go in the Gulf, kinds of so many things you have to face there, understood, right? Then after their natures of the conducts, nature of the taste is entirely different from India. That is the locations is also very much important here. So what I'm writing here, just try to understand. On site or remote site, where will be the testers be located? Where will be the testers be located? Okay, either we have here on site, or we have here a remote location. Okay, next is coming here. Does organization have organizations have numerous locations? Okay, next it is coming here. What point is telling you that is taught international borders? Does it cross international borders? For whom? We are talking everything on the testing. Where? On the location part. Sometime what happened? Some kinds that your firewall is fixed on USA. That is your firewall, USA. And you are sitting testing in India. So if you are going to check that firewall physically, that should be reached there. So that is international. That is called a what is ROE location stern. ROE location. What is really important? Location terms in terms of what? International borders. That they have to allow or not. This all terms is coming here. International borders. Understood. This is your locations part. Next is coming here. Expert is telling you ROE timeline restrictions. ROE timeline restrictions. ROE timeline restrictions, what it is telling you, are there certain time that are not authorized. What about your working hours? What about days of week? Days days of the week of the week. Okay. Next point it is coming. What about holidays? What about the holidays? You should have to count this all inside your timeline, right? Like 20 days or 30 days you have the holidays is there. 30 days holidays is there. So you should not work on that. Understood or not? It will become on the timeline restrictions in a year. If you are working in a week, like 5 days is holiday is there. So it should not come. And only 2 days again the Saturday Sunday is there. So that is also coming on the ROE timeline. Okay. So engagement timeline is there. Restrictions part, sorry. Then after we are coming on the ROE transparency. Okay. Next is our here ROE. That is our ROE. ROE transparency between the client and sir, this your can say here that word is there. It's not coming on mouth. That word is your. Let me come here. ROE transparency. Let me come here. Points. It is coming. Stakeholders. Okay. Between the team and stakeholders. You understood? Yeah, I was remembering that word. Stakeholders is coming here. So what it is telling you? Okay. See here. Who will know about the pen test? Transparency is means who will know about the pen test inside the organization. And second point is coming here. Will the organization provide resources to will the organization provides the resources to the testers. We have discussed white black box, white box right now. So here it is coming on the white box. White box. Understood? This is coming on the ROE, transparency, and between. Or next I am adding here between organization and stakeholder. Transparency should be there. Should be there. Understood? This is transparency. Then after ROE boundaries is there. Understood? This points is coming on the ROE transparency. Then after I am coming here. Next point. ROE boundaries. Boundaries. ROE boundaries. What is happening in ROE boundaries? What will be tested? What will be tested? That already I told you that entire organization or some objectives tested. Second is coming. Is social engineering allowed to use? Is social engineering allowed to allowed to be used? Okay. Third point is right here. What about the physical security of the testing? What about the physical security of the testing? Okay, and then after this is coming inside the boundaries part. Okay, next is our legal concept. Legal, and this is very much important. So we have seen here. Let me write the legal concept. Legal concepts. Legal concepts. Inside legal concepts is telling you local and national restrictions. I told you that inside your transparency, right? Inside your locations, right? That part inside the locations, it is coming like international boundaries or not, borders coming here or not. So that is coming here in the legal concepts. Legal concept is telling you, giving you the informations. Every countries have some different their laws is there, right? Now that is coming. If you're going to USA, they have their own policies is there, their own rules is there. Okay, that is HIPAA and so much. And this all thing is coming inside there. They are processing for that. So legal concept, when we are talking in the legal concept, we have here local and national restrictions. We have here local and national restrictions. What is happening in local and national restrictions? I'm telling you. Laws and regulations regarding cybercrime. I told you already, right? Laws and regulations laws and regulations regarding cybercrime cybercrime vary from country to country. You understood? Vary from country country. Okay. Check the local laws before. Check, that is the legal concepts. Check the legal local laws before conducting an assessment. Before, these all terms we are studying or we have studied there in our SISA also. Okay, SISA plus also. So check the local law before conducting assessments. Assessments that is coming on the legal. Okay, local and legal. Okay, fine. Understood my point. So what we have seen here in ROE,
Yes, sir.
in ROE terms, in ROE, just let me tell, ROE we have seen timeline is there. So we have here locations is there. Then after we have what? Time restrictions is there. Time restrictions is there. Then after we have transparency is there. And then after what we have taste boundaries is there. Taste boundaries is there. Okay. These are the terms we have here. Always remember. Okay. ROE. ROE is what? Rules of engagement. That taste boundaries. And then after we have seen the legal concepts also. Right now, legal concept. After ROE boundaries, taste boundaries, we have seen the legal concepts. Right? Correct or not? Legal concepts. Legal concepts, what we have seen there inside the legal concepts, we have seen what? Local and national. National or international, you can say. National. National. Both are different. Understood my point? Should I stop here? Huh?
Okay, sir.
Today only. Okay. And you are coming on 6 o'clock, right? Automation. You are
Today, sir.
join automation
Oh,
also. Okay.
okay, sir.
Join
Okay.
automation also. Every day you join automation because it is important there. This is a market.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
And exactly 4 o'clock come. 4 to 4:30 I will conduct. Half an hour I will take
Okay,
rest
sir.
because I have continued classes, man. Okay. Only 2 hours I'm taking break in between that.
Okay, sir.
15,
Okay,
20 minutes only. So come for the class.
sir. Okay.
Okay, man.
Okay.
Take care. I will see you in that day. Don't miss the class.
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.